Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create cool mist effect in Blender. This tutorial will be very quick, but before we continue, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and like this video if it will be useful for you. So let's get started. So I got this simple scene, it's like desert. I'll show you the render preview. And first of all, what you need to do is go here to view layer and enable mist. Next, select your camera, go to camera data, and here you need to also enable mist. Now it added this lane and 2 points, so this will be our controls. To control the mist, go here to your world settings, and here in mist path you'll have start and end of your mist. So the start point is where it will be the beginning, and the depth is where it will be 100%. So you can drag the depth up to here, and now what you need to do is to render your image. Once you rendered your image, don't close this window, hide it, and go to Compositing. Click here use nodes. So with your node wrangle enabled, please watch this video to know how to do this. Click Ctrl Shift and click on your render layers. It will add viewer to our image, and by clicking Ctrl Shift more times you'll switch before these points, and here how our mist is looked. Switch back to image. What you need to add now, Shift A and add mix, place it here and drag your mist factor to this factor over here. Here you can change the color of your mist. Now click Ctrl Shift on mix so you can preview your mist, and by pressing V you can zoom it out. Now to add more controls, you can add color ramp and place it here to mist, and you can see how it's changing our mist, so you can make it further or closer to you. So our mist is ready. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.